Yeah, big and bad. I mean, I tell you, say, yo, good morning, good afternoon, good night. No matter, anytime you watch a video. No matter the time when you watch a video. Some say, good morning, because a man in the day. And if afternoon you watch it, good afternoon. And if a night, good night. See what I say? But here me I say, the government are come with a new identity which Jamaican people don't like. Me don't like it. The 10 finger you have your foot bottom, the what? And microchip in you, me don't deal with that. Jamaican, a long time I want to know, and a long time Rasta people I want to know. Them are come with the microchip, the Bible tell you to before even the Rasta man want to know. The Bible tell you say, yo, it going come with the mark of the beast. You see me? So the microchip thing is the mark. It's true Jamaican people love pretty up themselves and have tattoo up some of them. Yeah, and enough of them, enough of we Jamaican nah read the Bible. Me nah say me, but enough of them out there nah read the Bible. So a whole heap of things go drop in this country and they'll catch some of them and life are going to lose. When the Bible says anybody take the mark of the beast, God not nothing to do with you. That means you don't have not much long, you just live and deal with it away like some flowers. When you don't get no water, you take time and dry up, it just dry up and gone. I saw some of them go low. That's what I say. All of the Christians them are out there. Go and do nothing. You see me? Even though sometimes when I do something, make people curse, make all myself curse or no. You see me? Yeah, it's not right because I'm not stealing, but me I say, yo, sometimes when I do some crap and support some crap, yeah, when I support and I support, I look at a thing like this. Me not hear the church I come out and look out, there's nothing like this. The microchip thing, me not hear them a look out. God bless the few pastors them rep. I keep them audience enlightened to what is going on in the world. That's what me I say. Straight. Yeah. And to all of people who have tattoo and you not gonna like that video, I know that because you are devil, you are Satan picnic. You see me? But you know cover the tattoo underneath on your belly, on your chest, no power put it on your body, or you know say can't show up. Yeah. Some of you put it on your back. See me I say, certain part for nobody will cover this when you put the tattoo. You see me? Feel like you're a normal person. You can't fool with. We know how you from having the tattoo on a demon, on a devil, on a Satan picnic. Because God is going to put mark on you, He will put mark on you. You see me I say, me not have a tattoo on me. I'm proud to be black and my skin is smooth. Yeah. You see me? Even if I have 1 and 2 liver spot on me, nothing wrong with that. And me alone have spot on my body. You see me I say? Straight. So, me I say, you don't need to read the Bible some more. You see me I say Jamaican people. Because what you see going all around the world, it is coming to we. Right now it's directly coming to we. You might have planned for a hurricane, but I know a hurricane will come. It depends something about. You see what I say? So me I say, yo, me not to read the Bible and pray. And some people they call themselves Christian. Them get caught up, left out of them church, come back out here. You see me? Yeah, me not say me not turn back Christian, you know. But me not do certain things, you know, you call what? Me done get give God my soul. So there's certain things I not going to do. And no money in the world can't get me do that. I rather get poor. You see what I say? Straight. Me a hold it. Me a not pretend that. You see what I say? But them ID, the ID where this government here, I come with, me not like it. Yeah, me don't like it, and I know Jamaican don't like it. Me, personally, don't like it. No microchip in my hand. You see me? Me have, me ID them have already. What fucking more we want? Eh? What this government are going with? Eh? What am I deal with? Eh? You have your passport already. You have all kind of ID to identify you already. What the fuck them want put in microchip in your back? Them are use them, the 666 and that style van way. And that them are do. And if you can't have eyes to see that, you don't get catch. I don't know how you get catch already. Remember the Bible says hell go fall, you know. And you see all of you have on the tattoo, a Satan mark that too. If you never know. Yeah, because the world is coming to an end. God is coming, very sure. Very shortly, God is coming. And he shall come like a thief in the night, Rasta. Yeah, and if you don't have God in you, you see me? Me don't know what happened to you, boy. Judgment. You see what me I say? Yeah. So I say, yo, Jamaican people, you don't need to look out on the eye and take on God things serious. Because worse and this is coming. If people tell God, remember me to say, worse and this is coming. And every time a man come out to one the nation, them get rid of that man. You see me? Yeah. Them find some way to kill you. Because they don't want you to get the people them to come from God's side. That's what I say, and them things are going on. And some of these people pray to defend God. Even the ones who say them are Christian. Because if them can't in a mix up and blame and carry or bring come to cause mix up and still on one side and laugh for you. How the hell them going to fight to go to heaven and defend God? They're not going to have time to defend God. So when the time when I take to set up other people's life with murder people, because I have cousins who pray out my life and watch me. You see me? I want like me live on the bridge with one of my brethren. And I see one of them sit down in a darkness in a full black. I pray out my life. I pray out me from phone and a chat. So I tell the people, see some of these blood clot people where they around me. Them are demon, them are devil. You see what I say? Yeah. Be careful. You see what I say? Yeah, and look out on the eye. And me don't want a microchip. You see what I say? Me don't want it.